Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a keyword rank tracker for especially Google search engine. So we will be using the Serp Stack API. So basically this will be a Python application on the command line and it will track the keyword ranking of your website for a particular keyword inside Google SERPs. So as you know that many a times you will need this Google keyword rank tracker. You have also seen in many paid softwares which provide this feature that in order to track your keyword for a specific, in order to track your website in Google search engine for a certain keyword. So you can see this is the example. Let me show you. We are using the Serp Stack API, which is a very famous API when it comes to the Google SERPs. If you just write here Serp Stack, this is the website here. It provides the real-time Google search API, and basically it has a lot of data, and it is a number one website when it comes to Google search results API. So we will be using this Google SERP API, which is Serp Stack, and here you need to create your account here. It is very easy. Just create a free account, and after that you will need your API key here. This is the API key that you will need for this tutorial. So for the free plan it offers you 100 requests, so it is more than enough to test out this API. It offers also the paid the pricing. It's very comfortable. You can see that $29 per month, which offers up to 5,000 searches per month. So it's a lot of searches. You can track your keywords as well to find the position. So now to see guys how to use this API inside your Python. It's very simple. I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website codingsiksha.com. So you can get all the source code for this. So this is the python app.py file. So you can get all the source code. Step by step instruction is given. Let me show you a very basic example here. So here we have provided this keyword here, which is Omegle bot. So basically guys, you can see that I am providing this keyword here, which is Omegle bot. And if I open my search console, and this is my Coding Siksha website I am testing on, and basically this is the Google search console. And now let me get the top keywords which are ranking. If I see the top queries here, you will see if I sort it by the position. So basically if I see now, you can see these are the keywords which are ranking on the number one position: Coding Siksha, Omegle interest to avoid bots. uh, I can pick any of these one keyword to test out this. So basically, let's suppose I uh, mobile repairing WhatsApp group. So if I type this keyword here just to test it, mobile repairing WhatsApp group, and also basically you can type it inside a incognito window. Just go to Google and type this keyword, mobile repairing WhatsApp group. So if you type this keyword on Google, my website will come it and the number one position. You will see that this article is coming here, Coding Siksha. So I need to test it through this API now. So basically we have provided this keyword here. We have provided the API key. Then we are providing the target domain, which is Coding Siksha. Google domain, we are testing out on the google.com, which is the US version. You can also test it on different countries version, which is google.co.uk as well. And then you need to provide your country code. So I am living in India, so I will provide IN. Language English. You can also test for various languages, Spanish, French as well. Number of results to return is 50. You can also do it. And devices, you can change it to desktop, mobile, tablet. So all these options, you can customize these options guys. Now you can test out this application. If I write here python app.py, so now this will show me the top 50 results which are there on site Google for this search query. So you can see this is my website here. You can see that it is appearing right here at the very top. You can see number one result is my website, so it is highlighted. So basically this is successfully finding out the number position for which the website is ranking for this keyword, mobile repairing. I can change this to, let's suppose here, Omegle bot. This is a new keyword. So in this way guys, you can test out multiple keywords for your website for which, how, in which position they are ranking. So you can see it is highlighting here, number fourth, coding Shiksha. You can also test this out. Again, go to Google and type here Omegle bot. So on number fourth position, my article will come, coding Shiksha. You can see how to automate Google. So it is giving me 100% correct answer. You can see that this is the rank tracker inside Python using the Google Serp Stack API. So let's start building this application guys from scratch. So just make a app.py file, and let me just, for this you will just need the request module for your, to make the request, and also operating system module. And then you need to configure the variables. So API key, here you need to get your API key from the dashboard, and then you need to put the query. So I can here put here PHP WhatsApp group domain, target domain for which you are testing it. So I will say coding Shiksha. Google domain, whichever Google domain you are targeting. So I will target google.com. Country code, so this will be IN. This is for India. Language, you can also test HI, which stands for Hindi, ES for Spanish, FR for French, but we will be testing it for English, so EN. So here you can say results, which is 50. You can also change 100 here, but 50 is more than enough. Devices, you can provide here desktop, or you can provide here mobile or tablet. So all the three devices are supported, but bulk of the traffic comes from desktop, so I will stick to the desktop option. And here you need to pass these options guys in the params. So we will create an option object here. We will pass the API key as API key access key. Then we will pass the device will be equal to the device. Then we have GL, which is equal geography, which is equal to the country code that we provide. Text option is HL. This is the language which we supported. So this is the API option guys, how to call this Serp Stack API. Auto location will be one, and here we need to provide the Google domain. So we have configured this Google domain here. Then we have the query, whichever query you have selected, and number of results. So here we have configured this parameters object. Now we need to simply call the API. So here we can call the API by the request module, request.get. So here we will pass this URL, https api.serpstack.com/search, and we also need to pass the parameters. Params will be equal to like this. We are passing the parameters in the second argument. So now we will get a JSON response guys. So we will say API response will be equal to API result dot JSON. So you will be getting it inside the JSON. So if you just print this response here, API response, so first of all it is saying that required access T. We need to provide the token here, which is access API key. So just go to your dashboard, click on copy this. So paste it, And now if you run this, you will get a JSON response. So it is saying that HTTP access restricted. Your current subscription plan does not support HTTP's encryption. Why it is saying HTTPS? Sorry, this needs to be HTTP, not HTTPS. So now it will get you this JSON response, guys. You can see that all the pages of the inside the SERP will be returned to you. So now to pass this result and show the relevant information, this is the for loop we need to run. So we can paste this for loop. So basically it is looping through this API response and it is getting the values that we want, the ranking and the number of page. So now if you run this, it will tell you the exact ranking of the keyword. You can see that number 4, coding Shiksha. It is successfully highlighting this. You can see that. So in this way, guys, you can build out a keyword rank tracker inside Python using Serp Stack API. You just need their API key. It's very simple. Provide the target keyword, provide the target domain, and just customize all these options: language, results, devices, country code, Google domain, and you will be able to build this awesome little utility. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.